Hello, I'm Shetu from MailBluster. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can automatically import data, in this case leads, from a Google Sheet to your MailBluster account. Suppose this is your MailBluster dashboard with 0 leads. You want to import the leads from this Google Sheet to your MailBluster account. Let's get you started. We'll be using Integromat to make the connection. Sign into your Integromat dashboard. Click on the button Create a new scenario. Select Google Sheets and MailBluster from the app list. Click to continue. Now, select the Google Sheet module. Select the trigger app, Watch Rows. Add a connection to your Google account. Select your spreadsheet and sheet name. Limit is the number of results you get per scenario run. In this case, let's choose 5. Select all to get all the rows available in the sheet. Now, let's add the MailBluster module. Choose the action Create a Lead. Add a connection to your MailBluster account using the API key. Let's get your API key from MailBluster. Go to your MailBluster dashboard to Settings to API keys. Create an API key. Copy the key and paste it here to complete the connection. Now, you can drag all the information you want to import from the Google Sheet. For example, email address, first name, and last name. Save the scenario. Run once to check. Let's check now. You can see 5 of the leads from the sheet are added to MailBluster. You can schedule the scenario to run at specific intervals so that any newly added lead in your Google Sheet is also imported to MailBluster. For example, let's add a new lead to the Google Sheet. After 15 minutes, Integromat will rerun the scenario and you will find the new lead is added to your MailBluster lead list. There you go. Happy sending!